When kids enter the Thomas and Friends exhibit at the National Children's Museum,
We're so excited to have Thomas.
they're off on an immersive journey, instantly becoming engineers and getting to explore the rails.
And we all know that what Thomas the Tank does every day is haul some freight.
From Knapford Station to Soder Island, kids are learning about transportation and why it matters.
This looks so much fun.
We're leaning into STEAM. We're leaning into what the industry does for the country. We're leaning into the jobs you could do when you grow up. We're gonna let them tinker with some really cool projects to get them excited about what we do and what our customers do every day.
And then you want to soon up.
While loading coal into Percy's engine, they're thinking about innovation.
Oh my gosh.
They're getting curious about how a locomotive works
Yeah, pull down.
and solving a variety of challenges.
There we go.
The train industry is actually quite innovative. And so there's the nostalgia and the old-fashioned memories, but there's also a really important aspect for families to learn about technology and innovation that's happening in the rail industry. And so we love the fact that we're able to marry those two things.
Find a little village.
Helping to bring this all to life, Wabtec and our 4 U.S. Class 1 partners came together to sponsor the space that connects the industry with families, leaders, and future innovators.
Having the exhibit here in DC is really an opportunity to pull people in from the Department of Transportation, the Federal Railroad Administration, and have them come through the exhibit, even with their children, right? And so it really connects us to that community in a new and different way.
And that kind of connection is exactly what this exhibit is designed to spark.
Everybody loves trains.
Curiosity, conversation, and a chance for the next generation to see themselves in the story.